Minis have always proven that small doesn't mean slow, and the Hyundai i20N follows that same philosophy. It's light, loud, turbocharged, and only comes with a manual. Built as a tribute to Hyundai's World Rally Championship car, this tiny terror is one of the most fun hatchbacks most Americans have never driven. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about the Hyundai i20N. Did you know the i20N is based on Hyundai's WRC rally car, with styling and engineering inspired directly by motorsport? From the roof spoiler to the aggressive front splitter, it's designed to look fast standing still, and it absolutely delivers when you drop the clutch. Did you know the i20N weighs just 2,679 pounds? That's lighter than a current Mini Cooper S, and with 201 horsepower and a manual gearbox, it feels ridiculously alive. It's the kind of car where you don't need crazy power to have a lot of fun. Did you know the i20N is only offered with a 6-speed manual transmission? No DCT, no CVT, no compromise. Just you, a clutch pedal, and short throws. It's a rare breed in a world that's rapidly going automatic, and a reminder of what makes cars like the Mini such a joy to drive. Did you know the i20N includes a mechanical limited slip differential, rev matching, launch control, and adjustable throttle mapping, all in a subcompact hatch? It's not just pretending to be sporty, it's ready for a backroad blast or even a track day. It punches way above its weight class. Did you know the i20N has been a critical hit in Europe, winning hot hatch comparisons against cars like the Ford Fiesta ST and Volkswagen Polo GTI? It's earned a cult following for bringing serious performance to a compact package. For Mini fans, this is the kind of underdog story we love. Quirky, fun, and totally driver-focused. So no, the i20N isn't a Mini, but it's built on the same idea. Small, light, and packed with personality. If you love manual gearboxes, turbo torque, and cars that feel like go-karts for grown-ups, this one belongs on your radar, even if you have to admire it from across the pond. Hit like if you're cheering for the underdogs, and subscribe for more fun, fast, and enthusiast-approved cars every week.